Today we're going to be starting off where we left off with the magic circle. Okay, I've done my magic circle and I've joined it and I've counted back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this will be the first stitch that I'm going to be starting in. I will be working in a continuous round first to show you what you need to do with continuous rounds, and then I'll show you what you need to do when it comes to chaining and joining. Okay, so you take your stitch marker out and you make your stitch and you place your marker. Okay, I've found that when you're working continuous rounds, it's easiest to do with single crochet and half double crochet. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to 2 single crochet in each of the 6 single crochets. So that will give us an ending total of 12. When you're working in rounds, honestly, it is basic, simple multiplication when it comes to how many stitches you should end up with at the end. So if you start with 6 stitches in your magic ring, your next round will be 2 single crochet in each stitch and you will end with 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay? Now, beginning your next round, you see I've got my first stitch of my last round marked with my stitch marker. You're going to take your stitch marker out, set it aside, and make your next stitch. Okay, remember, this is working in continuous rounds. Okay, don't forget to put your stitch marker back. That way you know where you started off at. Okay, your next round will be 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Okay, and then you would continue on until you got to your marker. Okay? Alright. So now I'm going to show you joining and chaining. Okay? This will be, I'll be working double crochet on this one. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to take your stitch marker out, join the round with a slip stitch. You see? Then you chain 1, 2, 3. Okay? Yarn over, and then you will 2 double crochet in the next. Okay? Now in a lot of patterns you will see where they say that the beginning chain counts as your first double crochet now and throughout. Okay, that means this counts as your first double crochet. Okay, so you would have 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet. One double crochet, then 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, one double crochet, then 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then, oops, made that one a little too tight, then 2 double crochet, and 6 times 3 is 18, so we should have 18 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 18 double crochet. Okay. Now you count 1, 2, 3, and you slip stitch into the top chain of your beginning chain. And there you go. Now on other patterns, it'll have you chain 2 and then double crochet in the same stitch. And then you would mark the double crochet and ignore the chain 2. Okay? And sometimes it even has you chain 2 and then double crochet in the next stitch, which will be this kind of funny looking stitch right here. And then that double crochet will be your beginning stitch, and you mark it. Okay? And then you would double crochet around and then join to this double crochet and not the chain. Okay? But that is working in rounds. And if you have any questions, feel free to make a comment or leave a message.